My name is Paul Marsden. I'm the quality coordinator for Leicatex, and I've been here for 30 years. So when I started at Leicatex, it was a much smaller company. It was in a much smaller building than this. I took a job as an interview as a tool and die maker, which is what I originally came into. And what impressed me about Leicatex at the time was that it was not only just a small company, but they were at the height of a recession. They were expanding, they were growing, and they were doing things that I had never seen before.
My name is Jim Shornagle, and I'm the general manager here at Leicatex, and I've been with the company for over 17 years. Very, very proud of what this company's been able to do over the past years. We've taken a very good small company and made it an excellent larger company. You know, the fact that we were able to expand into the various markets, the fact that back in 2005 we supplied products to Canada and the US. Then by 2009 we were supplying products to as many countries as Germany, the UK, Australia. This small team of people was able to accomplish all of that. It makes me very, very proud.
In our industry, we are the best producers of printed seals in the world now. And we do all kinds of cool logos, from steel companies that have Arabic on them to we've done Canadian Mint logos, different steel company logos. Yeah, it's been an exciting tour that way.
If you're looking to get your company name on a seal, we are the company that can do that for you. Whether that be a printed seal, whether that be embossed, whether that be die stamped, we can get your logo on a seal at relatively low cost and very high quality.
I've been through 3 owners. So the original owner, we did a lot of work getting that going, and then our second owner was Uwe Schorp. And he was able to take us to places that I just didn't ever think we'd be able to do. Before Uwe, I would have said Samuel was my #1 person that I wanted to own us. And so when Samuel came in, it was like just another thing that was great for us. And I think that Samuel took us to another level.
Leicatex has got an exceptionally great team. We have a number of people who have been here for a lot of years, lots of experience. I think we average over 16 years on our production floor for the number of years they've been here. So that gives us a tremendous amount of ability to meet our customer demands. We have years when we've had 0 customer parts per million, meaning we didn't ship a single part to our customers that was out of specification. And we ship over 300 million pieces per year. Leicatex is a global company, but we're still very, very connected to London, Ontario, and our community here. So we do a fair bit of fundraising throughout the year, whether it be for Toys for Tots or the Salvation Army. We try to do some fundraising activities with our small team and give back to our community because it's important to us.
We're a family to me, and there's always the support. There's always some person you can go to talk, even personal stuff. I always say to any person, it might seem a bit difficult in the beginning, but over time, you will fit in. And it's a good feeling to know that you're #1.
We are like a small family, and it's great to see people as they developed over the years to become stronger, more experienced, more trained. We have a great group here of people. Everybody cares about their job, and everyone cares to support their fellow worker, and I think that's really important.